Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. So yeah, finally I'm back after a week of break, but today I only traded in Sim because I was preparing for Monday. Kind of rearranging the colors of my chart, and as you can see, it's now blue and red and white background. I did not change a lot, but I'm kind of trying to get familiar with my new look with the new look of my chart. So today I traded Neo, which was great. Uh, it was scary to take this long because I thought it's gonna drop now because it's there's like a sell off from the top. This is like the high of yesterday, I think 52-week high. The stick line 42.50, and it was just really strong at the open. And I was actually trading ACB because I was kind of scared to trade Neo. I traded ACB, I got stopped because it was just too risky to trade. It wasn't really moving that much. I took two trades, both are winners, and I got stopped out the rest, and look where it is now. It's all right. I mean, this things happen. This could be another. I mean, it's ACB is not a car company, but this could be another Neo run. Moved about $4.50 today. ACB, no, 265 actually. 450 from yesterday, I think. No. ACB today's range is $2.72. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah, I traded Neo and ACB. We can, but this one is sim. It's not real account. I will trade my real account Monday because I was just trying to get familiar if my hotkeys are still working, and this new chart that I was playing around. Yeah. Let's have a look. There you go. Market opens. Lower this a bit. So right at the bat, as you can see here, volume is about 139,000. And look at ACB. ACB spit out 2.6 million, and it was very, very strong. So my focus went all the way to ACB from Neo. So let's watch Neo. 2.8 million, 3 million. Look at that. Let's pause this. You can see here, Neo has about 3.8 million as well. Really strong. Both of them are really strong, 3.8 million. But I decided to trade ACB for 20-cent risk. I think it was 20-cent risk. Took some profit. I stopped out because I said, okay, I'm too early at this. So I'm actually thinking if it's going to continue to break 850. It's looking at 850. Yep, I was a bit late. There you go. Took profit. And I said I'm gonna stop out because my entry is not that great. So after looking at that, I was actually looking at Neo, and look at that, it just went without me. So it's a little bit frustrating. I got stopped, but I was looking at Neo because it looks like it's really strong. So I took a dollar risk, which is really, really wide because this could probably go to 40, 50. That's 50 cent. I don't want to go there. I added another dollar risk, so my risk will be now 50 cents. If this goes within 40-80 area, 40-70, I'll probably reduce my size or stop out because Neo is known to be a stock that dumps. So there you go, took profit. 1-to-1 now. Took 25% in there on Neo. Looking at 42. It's my next. Took 10% in there. 42 is my next. I'll try to get out there. Yeah, see, my chart here is messed up because it's I didn't know, I didn't test it. That's why it's better for me to test it now than later. There you go. Come on. Took a lot of shares in there because it's a really good 2-to-1 move. Hoping for 42.50. Took some more off. I didn't like that dump. Only 1 million. You know what? Let's just go here. But I was taking profit on my other level 2, not here. So here. And that was really good. Like a dollar 38 move. Got most of it. $1.50 move. Crazy. Crazy. I still have some few shares. Next is 43.35 if it goes there. And I have my last shares, holding my last shares. Gonna go 43. We don't see any signs at 43. It's oversold. Overbought. Not oversold. I'm gonna get out my last share somewhere here. 43.35. Just crazy amount of volume, man. Seriously, every candle is like 2 million volume. There you go. That's my last share. Because I said it's just too much. It's too overextended. Yeah, and that's it. Actually, I was looking at ACV as well. ACV could have been a really nice bounce here at VWAP 80.50. You risk maybe, I don't know, maybe risk 20-30 cents ish. As you can see here, it's ranging about 50-30 cents. Up to you how much you will risk. But look at Neo just dumped. Crazy. Whoever took it short here, but nobody's willing to take this short. Even me, I was kind of scared to take this short because it was really strong. It's still strong, but today it opened red. I think, yeah, it's still red. So it could be a different case next week. So let's see what happens. ACB. It's starting to get volume here. You can see here, there's volume. Yeah. So, I'm gonna end the day. It's just want to say hi, and I miss trading. It's really hard for me to not trade, especially there's a lot of movers, but man, it was good because let me show you. Oh, look at that Neo drop. What goes up must come down, but this never happened in previous days, I think, on Neo. It's always been strong. I think it's probably gonna be bought. I don't know. I have no idea what's gonna happen to the stock, but it's still red. It's still $1 away from red. So it's up to you if you can risk previous day close, or looks like a short for me now. But yeah, the reason why I took a break is it's been a really good 3 months for me, and every day is just scaring me. I mean, I traded Monday. I said I'm not gonna trade Monday. I did not make a recap because it was just I did not follow my rule of not trading Monday. And I did not trade this past 3 days. I traded Sim today, so I'm not going to count that, even it's a really good trade. But yeah, September I have one red day, August one red day, October was the best. But I had some really bad over trading as well. I think I remember D King or something, DKNG, wherein I almost lost a lot, but I recovered it. So those are the things that I'm kind of scared. I still don't know how to to proceed to this, because I'm not in a trading firm. I don't really know what's the right way to do when you're kind of like scared when you have a really good green streak. So yeah, it's been just great, and that's why I think I was feeling that I needed to take a break, because I just need to. It's just I was just too exhausted from trading every day, waking up early. Um, yeah, it was just insane. Yeah, so I just want to share that to you guys, and yeah, I'm excited to go back. What I did was I withdrawn all my profits from day one. Whatever I made from day one, I withdrawn all the profits. Um, I mean, I left a bit, but most of my profits, and just to really pat myself that did a good job, and then I'm now really making real money. And yeah, I need to remind myself that I need to treat this seriously, because or else I will just lose a big portion of my account if I overtrade, like what happened to me in deking. I think it was deking. That was a really scary moment, because those things happen. I'm thinking if I should put a max loss to my account. I still don't know if I should do it, or I should just need to learn how to control myself when those things happen. Sometimes what happens is when I get squeezed, or I think when I get squeezed, sometimes I have the analysis paralysis, they call it, and I just can't react. I don't know how to get out when when you see a squeeze and it's like a dollar squeeze, and you have a really big position, whether you should take the loss or re-average. So I'm still in that stage. Yeah, it's tough. um I will try to respect my stop next week, and see how it goes, and see how I perform for a week. And if I tend to overtrade some point, or re-average on a losing trade, and it's probably time for me to add a max loss per day, like broker max loss, like you can't trade anymore. Yeah, something like that. What else? Yeah. I am now willing to do one-on-one, mentorship or consultation. If you, I'm still, not a pro trader, but some of the I will cater this to the new ones, newbie traders who are, who do know what's the broker hotkeys and all those things. So I tend to cater one-on-one on those ones who are struggling more, because you're not alone. I'm also struggling at sometimes. So we can talk about it. I can share you how I handle it, how I can share you, like, how I deal with things. So if you're interested in one-on-one, let me know. There's no specific amount. You can, you know, it can be free as well if you don't have the means to pay. We're here to share our knowledge and skill. But yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more updates. And I'm kind of excited to go back on Monday. So if sorry if you haven't seen any recaps for the past week. But yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and then I'll get back to you. Good practice today. Big win. Thanks.